Good afternoon, it's Sarah from Hills. I'm here today to show you this fantastic 3-bedroom semi-detached property. We've got a conservatory to the rear, as you can see, fantastic amount of off-road parking, gated access out into the rear garden, and you are located on a lovely quiet cul-de-sac, fabulous positioning within a brilliant location of Peel Green, where you've got catchment to highly sought after schooling. Amenities just at the bottom of the road. You've got your small Asda, bus stations, and fantastic transport links with the M30 just on your doorstep, taking you further afield. There's brilliant local playing fields surrounding yourself here, just within walking distance. And we've come in through the entrance hallway into this fabulous cosy lounge, the central fireplace, and on through to the conservatory. Now, coming out into the rear garden, you do have the detached garage. Potential for further development, as you can see next door, have extended, and then either further storage down the side, or once again potential to extend the property further. Just across from this lounge, you've got fabulous kitchen dining space, that lovely central 8-ring range gas cooker, space there for your dining table, plenty of storage, along with work surface area. This lovely modern kitchen, and then just tucked away behind the door, you do have plumbing in place there for your washing machine. It also homes the boiler with further access out into the rear garden. As we head up to the first floor, you'll find the 3 bedrooms, along with the family bathroom. There's ample storage throughout in this property. So the master that runs the full depth of the house, and then these 2 generous sized bedrooms overlooking the rear, and then the front garden in here. Again with further storage built in. All of the rooms will accommodate a double bed, extra storage on the landing, and this 3-piece family bathroom suite with a corner bath in place there. Lastly, into the master bedroom, again with your fitted storage built in, and then your windows front and rear of the room. It's private to the back of the property, overlooking that garden. Now we are on Multhall Avenue within Peel Green, and as I mentioned, you are surrounded by highly sought after schools here. It's a fabulous family home, equally perfect for first time buyers wanting to get onto the property ladder, with this spacious 3-bedroom semi-detached property located at the bottom of the cul-de-sac, which is coming to the market chain free, and you are surrounded by fantastic local amenities alongside brilliant transport links. So if you are interested in coming along and taking a viewing of this lovely home, please give the office a call on 0161 707 4900.